Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we will look at sample cue card. Describe an article on health you read in a magazine or on the internet. Here we have the cue card. Describe an article on health you read in a magazine or on the internet. You have to cover the following cues when you speak on this cue card. What was it? Where did you read it? Why did you read it? And how you felt about it? The sample answer is, well, reading is my favorite hobby. So I spend most of my leisure time reading articles on the web, in magazines, and in newspapers. Here, I would like to talk about one particular article about health that I read a few months back in a magazine. The title of that article was Health is More Important Than Wealth, which I found quite impressive. As I am a health conscious person, I couldn't resist myself reading that article. Through this health article, I acquired some valuable information regarding nutrition and exercise. I learned that a person would consume their food at its proper time. All 3 meals of the day must include an adequate amount of protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and other minerals. People should eat more vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and some dairy products, rather than eating fast food or processed food items, which usually contain excessive calories. Apart from this, individuals should take part in physical activities on a daily basis. This would help keep them fit and active and make their mind and body strong. I have to say, this was quite astonishing for me. From that day onwards, I started applying some of the suggestions in my daily life, and I got some extraordinary outcomes. I started feeling more productive throughout the day, so my performance at work increased dramatically. So, this was the health article that I read, and I found it very informative and interesting. Now we will look at the follow-ups for this cue card. Very first question is, why do different people like to read different magazines? Everyone has different interests and choices, so they read magazines accordingly. Some people are interested in fashion and electronic gadgets, so they read those types of magazines. Some prefer sports and health related magazines. There are people who like cooking and home decor, so they read such magazines. What kind of magazines do teenagers like to read? Youngsters are inclined towards fashion and new technology, so they read magazines like Vogue, Mobile World, PC Hacks, etc. I personally keep myself up to date with technology by reading a magazine called Biz World. Next question is, what's the difference between news on TV and news in magazines? The main difference between TV news and news in magazines is that people get a live update about the events and happenings occurring around the world on television, whereas in magazines, they get detailed news stories of the past week or month depending upon the subscription of a magazine. Moreover, there are audio and video visuals with TV news, while it's not possible with magazines. Next question is, do you like to read news from the internet? Certainly. They like it a lot. This is due to the fact that it's more convenient to read headlines on the internet using smartphones than reading in a journal. They don't need to buy a newspaper every day in order to keep themselves abreast of the latest news reports. Do people still buy magazines in your country? Yes. Many people have a weekly or monthly subscription of magazines in my country. This is because Magazines provide specific knowledge about different fields because they contain detailed articles on certain topics. People who want to acquire any particular information read magazines on a regular basis. So this was the cue card on health topic. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and do comment and let us know that on which topic we make next cue cards. Thank you.